Alright, let's do this. Welcome, game developers, to Doug Teaches Unreal Engine 5 Mario 64 clone. Yes. So we're going to do some random refinements, and we are going to tweak. We're gonna refine the long jump and as well as the somersault. But first, let's refine the AI. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to like, cement, and subscribe. Wait, what? What? Why did you say cement? Because it's funny. Okay, so we do this once. Why once? Yeah, we don't want it playing every time. We don't want this playing every time we overlap. So we just do this once and then play from start. Okay. I mean, okay. It's good. It's a good thing. We don't want to. Boop. There we go. So now let's refine the jump. Okay. What we want to do is we want to get the player controller. Why? Because we need to see if input key is down. So we need to get input key. Is input key down? What are we going to look for? Left shift, one for left shift, and one for left control. All right, so that way, right, because we want to do the long jump. Yes. Okay, so we want to branch this out. And we want to duplicate this. Why? Because if it's false, we just jump like normal. Ah. Well, wait. What if we're doing? Ooh. What if we're? Wait. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Like, comment, and subscribe if you love scratching that one itch. Oh, that feels good. Actually. Let's undo that. Why? Because we need an OR boolean. What's an OR boolean? Why do we need an OR boolean? Because this way we need to differentiate between once this, let's say the OR boolean is active, right? We're gonna have to have another thing that says, okay, we have to have another branch here that says if we're doing that. Well, technically we don't necessarily need that. So you know what? We're going to just do this. We're going to do that. We'll plug that into here. We're going to plug left shift into here. We're going to get rid of this. And let's scale this up. Because I was going to do an OR boolean basically to, for fuck's sake, how do we, an OR boolean. And then if the OR boolean was true, we check to see which key was actually being pressed. But in this case, but you know what, let's just do this instead. Okay, so here. Plug this in. Let's move this up, and then we duplicate this, but instead of left shift, we type in left CTRL for control. We duplicate this, and then put that in the false. If it's not, we jump like normal. But if it's true, we jump. Duplicate. And we want to actually make sure can move. Do we have a can move variable? No, I don't think so. Alright, let's add a can move variable. And move. Why? I said can move, damn it. Oh, come on. Can move. Oh, wait, we have a can move. Damn these temporary glasses of mine. Do I set can move the mouse gamepad? Are we gonna use the gamepad? Maybe. Oh, so I do have the can move variable. Okay, never mind. Ugh, damn these temporary glasses of mine. We want to set can move to false. And then, well, we could do it in the, you know what, no. For the time being, let's just keep it as is. And then we do the, we refine this. Well, first let's do the long jump. Okay. Next, what we want to do is we want to launch character. because I'm overthinking this like an idiot. Let's move this way. How are we gonna? What are we gonna launch the character? Simple. We take the capsule component. We take the capsule component. We get its forward vector, and then we multiply that by a float. I'll just have another variable. I'll just say launch velocity, and this will be a float. Come on, boop. Now we multiply this, and we get launch velocity, and we plug this in. Yes, we want to convert that, and we plug that into U. So what's the launch velocity? Well, we gotta recompile it. Holy shit! What the fuck was that? That was one of the weirdest attempts at a burp slash, I don't know. I'm gonna like put this at like, let's do 5,000. You sure? Yeah, why not? And here, on true. So do we want to put launch velocity? No, because technically speaking, we can, nah. We can just hard code this and jump them backward. Let's launch velocity, launch character. So we want to get all this. And we want to say, we can, because the forward vector has to be, we have to multiply this by -1. Really? Yeah. Alright, because you kind of jump backward when you're somersaulting. Ow. So, we want to upgrade the height, and we want to downgrade the, so let's do this. We'll get, we can duplicate this. I'll just say somersault velocity. We can get this. We multiply this by -1. -1. So that way it's a thing. Plug that in. And then what we do is we can add another one. Okay. But this one is going to be based on the z-axis. So I'm just gonna say, give me a number. 5,000. Okay. So how do we add them together? I mean, how? We just literally plus. How? And then just add these two. Yeah. And then we just plug it into here. Okay, calm down. I'm just saying it's all. So wait, does this mean we have to fuck with this? Yes, because we don't want to move we don't want to move back 5,000 units. We want to like move another number. So with this one, I'm just gonna say, I don't know. Wait, can't we just instead just say negative? Oh yeah, that's true. We could. First, I'll just do negative 1,500. And then I could just get rid of this, and then I could just plug that in you. Let's see if this works. Compile. What the hell? Okay. Okay, come on. Did it work? Kind of. What the shit? Okay, that's because -5,000. Okay, so we gotta play a little with this. I'll say 2,000 and see what happens from there. And I gotta fuck with the launch velocity, obviously. So let's take the launch velocity. No, not you. You. Let's take the launch velocity. Yeah. And instead of 5 grand, we'll just make it. I'll make it 2,500. Okay. So play. Woo. Oh wait. God damn it. That was not how it's supposed to. But wow. Okay. So it is working. Yes, it's working. Okay. We gotta fuck with the somersault velocity. I'll say negative 500. And then play. Whee! I gotta do something about that z-axis. Well, technically speaking, no, I don't. Why? Because they can do that on their own. They can do that on their own. Okay. All right. And essentially, that's all we need to do. Whee! I'm really getting sick of that explosion sound effect. But I'm gonna change it like next time. There we go. But it is working. Yes. So why did we shift to the? Why did we shift? I mean, why did that? Oh, that's because we collided with the character. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, what now? Okay, so next week, what we're gonna have to deal with is, the first jump, the second jump, and the third jump. When am I gonna do the jump dash? Well, technically speaking, I mean, we could do the jump dash as well. Can we do it now? No. Because I don't have an, animation for it. And even then, so what would the jump dash consist of? Okay, so essentially, what we'll use the where the hell's crouch? This is it, right? No, wait. Yes, this is the crouch. So we take the crouch, right? We'd have to ask if we're falling, right? And then what we do from there is essentially if we're falling, and we press the crouch key. We'd launch the character forward, but at the same time we would wow, good job at a burp attempt. I know, right? We'd launch the character forward, and then we'd have to screw with the anim BP. We'd actually have to go back into the anim BP and say, okay, since this person hit jump or crouch while is in the air, you wanna elaborate there, champ? Okay, so we'd have to basically say if the character's in the air and has hit the crouch key, we'd have to set up a different variable, and we'd basically say, okay, so he's falling, but we also have to, but this is false, so we wouldn't have to activate the whole somersault falling state, if that makes any sense. I think so. So we'd have to basically say, and then don't forget there's also the drag coefficient, like when you're on the ground, the slide. Oh, are you gonna tackle that? Probably not. Probably not for a while, because I haven't actually done anything in terms of like sliding. Like, that would actually have to involve like how friction would work, and even then I think that would have to involve a material function. I'd have to like do R&D on that. So I'll show the first steps of it, but and then probably after that, the 3 jumps. Okay. And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Ue5 Mario 64 clone. Wait, does that mean we're gonna have to tackle swimming? Obviously. Okay.